As the global leader in access technology, JLG draws from decades of experience on how operators work and use lift equipment. JLG developed SkyGuard to enhance control panel protection. It is, however, not a replacement for operator training or safe equipment operation. SkyGuard is the result of extensive research and testing. SkyGuard is comprised of a sensor bar located above the control panel that can be activated from different angles, an audible horn, and an optional flashing light assembly. Here's how it works. In this illustration, the operator is not following proper safety procedures, which results in the operator's failure to notice an obstruction, creating a potentially dangerous situation. Contact is made between the obstruction and the operator, forcing the operator into the SkyGuard sensor bar. SkyGuard automatically stops the equipment's motion and reverses most functions, preventing the operator from being forced into the control panel. At the same time, an alarm and optional flashing light alerts others in the area of the incident to bring additional help if needed. If the sensor was activated by mistake, the operator simply releases the foot pedal, and the machine resets and can be used normally. SkyGuard is activated when approximately 50 pounds or 23 kilos of force or more are applied. And in situations of more extreme force, the sensor bar will break away, giving the operator additional room. SkyGuard has no movable parts, eliminating the need for scheduled or additional maintenance. And it doesn't reduce the work envelope of the boom lift, increase the platform profile, or limit operator visibility. Best of all, SkyGuard can be installed on most JLG boom lifts manufactured after 2004. SkyGuard is our way of demonstrating a global commitment to innovation that enhances both productivity and protection. And it's another way JLG is reaching out to you so that you can reach higher, further, and your full potential.